Please like and subscribe my channel. The 2024 Lexus LC is a stunning grand touring coupe that offers an intoxicating blend of style, performance, and luxury. It's available in two variants, the LC 500 with a 5.0-liter V8 engine and the LC 500 Hours with a hybrid powertrain. Both versions are rear-wheel drive and come with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Image of 2024 Lexus LC 500 opens in a new window. CarAndDriver.com 2024 Lexus LC 500 design. The LC's exterior is one of its most defining features. It's a low-slung, wide-body coupe with a long hood, short rear deck, and dramatic curves. The headlights are sleek and sharp, and the taillights are elongated and stylish. The LC is available in a variety of bold colors. Interior. The LC's interior is just as luxurious as its exterior. The cabin is lined with high-quality materials, such as leather, Alcantara, and wood trim. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and there's plenty of headroom and legroom for both front seat passengers. The rear seats are small and best suited for occasional use. Performance. The LC 500's 5.0-liter V8 engine produces 471 horsepower and 398 pounds-feet of torque. It's a powerful engine that provides strong acceleration and a thrilling exhaust note. The LC 500 Hours hybrid powertrain combines a 3.5-liter V6 engine with an electric motor for a total of 354 horsepower. It's not as powerful as the V8, but it's still plenty quick and offers better fuel economy. Infotainment. The LC's infotainment system is controlled by a touchpad that can be frustrating to use at times. However, the system itself is feature-rich and includes a navigation system, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Here are some of the pros and cons of the 2024 Lexus LC. Pros. Stunning design, luxurious interior, powerful engine, LC 500, comfortable ride, feature-rich infotainment system. Cons. High price tag. Not the most practical car. Frustrating touchpad infotainment system. Average fuel economy, LC 500. Overall, the 2024 Lexus LC is a great choice for luxury car buyers who are looking for a stylish, powerful, and comfortable grand touring coupe. I hope this review is helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions.